How to change group name on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change group name on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and here just select any group you want, like this one here, and then click these 3 points in top corner and click group info. After that click this pen icon here and then here we'll find group name. Now just type any name you want and that's it, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.